Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to disable Apple Intelligence on your Mac. First things first, click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner of your screen. Then, select System Settings. Once you're inside the System Settings, look for Apple Intelligence and Siri in the left-hand side menu and click on it. Now, at the very top, you'll see Apple Intelligence. Simply toggle this option off. A prompt will appear, telling you that you won't be able to use Apple Intelligence features like writing tools. If you're ready to proceed, click on Turn off Apple Intelligence. Alright, now it's disabled. You'll be able to use the old Siri, and you can still configure its settings just below this option. With that done, you can exit out of System Settings and start using your Mac just like you normally would. And that's it. Easy, right? If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.